In this tutorial, I will show you that how can you download Fortnite on PC and laptop in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, from your desktop, click on that search icon and search for Microsoft Store. You will see a search bar. You can search for Epic Games. Search it and open this Epic Games Store. Click to install it. After installation, you need to open it. Click on that Windows icon and you can search for Epic Games Launcher. Simply run as administrator. It will take some time to open. Then it will show you this window to sign in into Epic Games. You can sign in with your account or you can create a new account for yourself. After creating an account, you can simply sign in. It will open up like this, where you will see these all games. Then you need to open this library option, and here if you scroll it down, you will find here this Fortnite and it's showing this install button. Simply click on that install button and then it will show you this pop-up to choose install location, and then simply click on that install button. It will start installing. If you open your downloads, you can see here this Fortnite start downloading. After downloading, you can simply try to play it through Epic Games. So that's how you can download Fortnite on PC and laptop in just few easy steps.